To PC Tips Pro. In this video today I'm going to show you how you can change the cPanel password of your hosting. So basically why is setting up or changing up the password of cPanel required? Because let's say if you are adding someone to work with you on certain project on some of your website, then you don't need to provide the hosting login details. That means let's say if you have a website hosting with GoDaddy or Hostinger or any other service for hire, then you don't need to provide your hosting login credentials. By providing the cPanel credentials, you can you can only give the access to your cPanel, not to the complete hosting. So let's proceed further to show you how you can change the password of your cPanel. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please go ahead and do subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Now here I do have hosting with GoDaddy, so I will open this godaddy.com, and you can see on the top it will give you option to sign in if you haven't signed in. Otherwise it will give you your name here. So I will go click on my name here and will go ahead and click on this my products. Now you can see here is showing what are the domains I have in my hosting, and you need to scroll down to the bottom and you can see the web hosting option. So you need to click on that arrow which is pointing down, and you can see there is a manage option will come up. So I will click on this manage. Now once I will click on this manage, it will give a different page from where you can open the cPanel admin, as you can see. And below the cPanel admin, you can see the account details in the settings, where you can see the primary domain. That means I have cPanel hosting registered with this domain, and now this is the cPanel login ID. That means it works ID, and here this is the password. So I already have set up the password, and when you buy the cPanel hosting from your service for hire, by default when you setting up you will get a password generated. But if you want to change it, just simply click on this change option and you can enter the new password, and here you can confirm the new password and you can change it. So guys, I really don't want to change my cPanel password because I have already added someone to add on my to work on my website, so it will be difficult again to coordinate. So I'm just showing you an example that how you can change the password of your cPanel admin. So this is the way you can do, guys. I believe I have cleared everything in this video, but if you still have any query, you can write in the comment section and I will be there to answer. Thank you.